Welcome back to Your Brandmate. Today, we are unlocking the full potential of productivity and client management with Notion and how it could be useful as a CRM tool. First up, let's talk about customizable databases. Create databases for contacts, leads, or clients. Add details like contact info, deal stage, and project specifics. Customize views with tables, galleries, or boards. Now, let's talk about task and project integration. Just picture being able to directly link your task and projects within the CRM entries. No more losing attention or switching between tabs. View tasks, client communications, and project changes in one convenient spot with Notion. Navigate between your CRM data and related tasks or projects with ease. But wait, there's more. Notion is not just about data, it's about people and collaboration. Foster team collaboration by leaving comments right on your CRM entries. Want to loop someone in? Just use the mention feature for seamless communication within the CRM. Notion as a CRM is just simple, organized, and effective. This is your brandmate signing off.